All right, what's up, y'all? It's your boy CP the Trucker by Big Willie J there. Yeah, today's was day 3 of orientation. It was really good because it was a really fun day because we got some uh, hands-on training for load securement. Hopped on the flatbed. We had showed all the equipment, how they all worked, and how to strap and chain things. We'll be doing again tomorrow. Yesterday was partly class on that, lecture, and then the other half of it was hands-on. Tomorrow will be strictly hands-on, so pretty excited about that. Luckily, I went to the gym over the weekend because I would have been dying. A lot of the other students here were like, bodies aching, couldn't take it no more. I could have gone for another hour. It was so much fun. So yeah. Other than that, everything was good. Ate again, free food. So I gotta hit. There's a gym in here. I think I gotta hit it. But yeah, good day. Orientation day 3 down at PGT Trucking. Day 3 down. Two more to go. Thanksgiving is next week. They're allowing us to go home. I opted to go home for Thanksgiving, so I think they'll be getting me a bus, if not by Friday, at least by Tuesday. Hopefully I can squeeze in some practice time or whatever on Monday. And then after Thanksgiving, I think that following Monday, they will bus me to my trainer, where the location of my trainer. I'll be getting on a truck with him. So, and then there'll be another 2, maybe 4 to 5 weeks, maybe 4 to 6 weeks or something like that, with the trainer, depending how well you do. So, yeah, things are looking good so far. So, yeah, my roommate went out to get a smoke. Yeah, everybody's trying to figure out what to do for Thanksgiving. So, yeah, he might be heading. He's from Maryland, so he's heading out probably Friday. Us other drivers who don't, I need to get my TWIC card. We're working on that. On Friday, we might be heading out to get our TWIC card in Pittsburgh. So, yeah, some of us company drivers have to stay. Some of the other students left. They were owner operators, or they were ICs. So, class kind of got cut in half now. But yeah. Yeah, the weather's not looking too good outside. It's like 30 degrees, 20 degrees. And it's not getting any better. But hey, if I can drive through this, I can drive through anything. So, and I'll try to be wise and safe about it. I do realize I gotta, for me personally, I think I gotta apply the Smith system. If those of you truckers out there probably know what that is, maybe whether you're tired of it or not. But I think I need to practice that a little more. Need to take my time, be more patient. With that being said, I learned my lessons, and I will apply it immediately. All right. See you tomorrow on day 4. And y'all have a good day. See you then. Bye.
Peace.